lovely to see you all here. Pleasure to welcome you here to Ireland's Plumbing and Heating Awards. Tonight we will highlight the absolute best of this amazing industry. We're going to celebrate you, the individuals, the companies, the contractors who are the heart and soul of the plumbing and heating industry in Ireland. Are we ready for the night to begin?
Leader in this industry who's often not received the praise he deserved, and tonight it's time to put that right. Please put your hands together as we present the Lifetime Achievement Award to Mr. Jerry Tobin.
Without any further ado, I'd just like to thank again all you guys, my customers, my competitors, for the friendship you guys gave me all over the years.
So, good night from Louise, myself, all the team at Ireland's Plumbing and Heating magazine. Round of applause for all our winners and highly commended. Thank you and good night.